Hello, to solve this exponential equation, you observe that we have two exponents. One is root, the other one does not have a root. So what do we do here? Look at the integers. The integers are 2 and 8. And 2 is a factor of 8. So that means we can decide to what? To split, to break this 8 in multiples of 2. So to break 8 in the multiples of 2, we can say 8 is equal to, we can say 8 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. So 8 is equal to what? 2 times 2 times 2, which means what? 8 will be written as what? 2 raised to power what? 3. Because 2 in 3 places will give us 8. So that means we can now change this to what? 2 raised to power root t is equal to 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by raised to power what? T. Don't forget, according to the law of indices, if you have exponents like this, it means that you multiply this out with this so as to get the result. So you have 2 raised to power what? Root t is equal to 2 raised to power what? 3 times t will be 3t. Okay, now that you have this, you observe clearly that 2 is common as integers for this particular problem. So that means 2 and 2, since they are hits the same thing, their exponent will be the same as well. So this means that root t now is equal to what? 3t. And now to get the value of t, according to the problem, because we actually have to find t. So you can square both sides. Okay, squaring both sides give you what? When you square both sides, root t now squared will be equal to 3t squared. And so the square here, we automatically cancel the root sign here. So you have what? That will be what? T is equal to, now when you expand 3t, it means what? 3t times 3t. Okay? And that will be what? That will be equal to 9t squared. Okay? So that means we are having what? T is equal to what? 9t squared. Don't make mistake by saying that let's divide both sides by t. No, that will be wrong. So this is the same thing as what? 9t squared, equals to t. Okay, whether you place it to the left or right, it's the same thing. So we can now, this implies what? 9t squared minus t is equals to 0. But by the time you bring t here, this will what? This will remain what? 0. So 9t squared minus t equals to 0. This has given us what? A quadratic equation. It's a quadratic equation. So let's solve that. 9t squared minus t equals 0. So with that now, we can say t is common. Okay, t is common. Let's write it appropriately. 9t squared minus t equals to 0. Since t is common now, you can factor out by saying that t into what you have left here. By the time you remove t, it will be 9t. Then minus 1 is equals to 0. So with this now, you're having 9t minus 1 multiplied by t is equals to 0, which implies that this implies t is equals to 0 or 9t minus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, so what next? What next is to find the value of t. This one has given us t is equals to 0. Now the second one now, collect like terms. Let your minus 1 go here, and we have 9t is equals to 1. So by the time you find it, to find the value of t now, you just divide both sides by what? By your 9. So that will be what? That will be t is equals to 1 all over 9. So in this case, t is equals to 0 or t is equals to 1 over 9. So that's the end of this problem, which is amazing. Okay, so do well to click on the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you'll be duly notified. And if you are a new subscriber, that is, you are watching this video for the first time, do well to subscribe to this video channel. The video channel is on OJ Online Mathematics Lab. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.